Hi sunshines! Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make homemade magnets using stickers. For this, you're going to need something to cut with. I do love this brand of scissors because it is sharp and precise. I'm lucky my fingers are relatively smaller so they fit well, but if you have larger hands, these may be uncomfortable for you, but I love them for small crafts. I also have a few other options that may work if you don't have sharp scissors, like this cutter or these X-Acto knives. See, I already said be careful and I'm over here dropping these knives. If you're clumsy like me, it gets a little dangerous over here. Someone may lose a finger, and it most likely will not be mine. I have a hard time getting smooth lines instead of jagged, so I'm sticking with the scissors for this. You'll also need a magnetic sheet. This is the brand I have on hand, and it works relatively well for a fun craft. I got this off of Amazon a while ago, so I'm sure there are lots of different other options out there. This one specifically is on the thinner side, but it seems to hold up well enough and is thin enough for me to cut through easily. For the stickers, I'm using ones that I designed myself. This is a good way to use up stickers you have laying around in a different way and showcase them on your fridge or any magnetic surface that you have available. Since these are going on my fridge, I'm going to choose the "That's My Jam" sticker. I don't even like jam, but growing up, I used to say that to every single song that came on because I love music so much you have no idea. And for my second sticker, I'm going to be using my "Shut Up and Give Me Food" because, again, food related, and I live by this quote daily. So the first thing you'll need to do is place your stickers on the magnetic sheet to kind of get a feel of the layout you want. This helps me prevent as much waste as I can so that I can fit as many stickers as I want on a sheet. I find it sticks the best when I take off the backing on the magnet and the sticker. So you'll see here that when I take the white backing off, there is a sticky adhesive on the front of the magnetic sheet. Since the sheet and the sticker has a sticky side, I feel that's good enough to keep it together. I use the sheet I peeled off to press them together firmly because that sheet won't stick and you can peel it off easily. Now we're gonna cut it out. I chose simpler designs for this example to show you how to do it, but if you have stickers with more complex shapes, it may be a little more work and the X-Acto knife might be easier to use for you to get a precise cut, but totally up to you. I just use the scissors for everything because I'm not too concerned with it being perfect since it is for my personal use and going on my fridge. Either way, I love them regardless. This is a relaxing type of hobby. I used to have a coworker who would collect stickers from small businesses or coffee shops she went to, and I think turning those into magnets would also be an adorable way to showcase places you love to go. I have a commitment issue when it comes to my stickers, so I don't ever truly use them unless they end up in my sticker book or I turn them into magnets so that way I see them every day when I open my fridge. And here is my final result. They are thin magnets, but they do hold at least one sheet of paper if you like to put things on your fridge. I haven't tested them with holding more than one, but it might all depend on how big your sticker is. I love them so much. This is what they look like on my fridge. I do have two other ones I made a while ago, my little bookworm and T-Rex dino stickers. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out today. If you try this craft, please let me know in the comments how it goes and what kind of stickers you used. Love you guys. Bye!